All right, let's talk about some more basic definitions in terms of geometry. So parallel should sound familiar from Algebra 1, and that means, let's change our color here so we can actually see. Parallel is going to mean the lines are never going to touch. So parallel, never touching, or they're moving exactly the same. Now, parallel, you're going to see this symbol for parallel. It's not a double L. That means parallel. Or if you have two parallel lines, sometimes you'll see little triangles or little arrows on them. That means parallel. Okay, that means they're never going to intersect, ever. Never going to touch, moving the exact same direction. Perpendicular, you're going to see an upside down T as your symbol. Perpendicular means they are exact opposite directions. Okay, that means they intersect at 90 degrees. Okay, so if you have two lines that intersect at 90 degrees, these are perpendicular. See how they kind of make a T? You can also have two planes, but I'm not going to try to draw that. Skew means neither perpendicular or parallel. Okay, so that means they're not moving the exact same direction, but they're still not going to intersect. So remember back in the day when we doodled and we made like boxes? We're going to doodle one of those now. So here's my really awesome box. Do you guys see how let's say this line right here, it's never going to intersect with this line right here. Why? They're in different planes. The top green line's in the top plane. It's on top of the box. The bottom green line, it's moving a different direction from that one. So it's not parallel, but it's still not going to hit because it's lying in a different plane. So skew are in different planes. Okay, and then the last one, what's intersect mean? Intersect means they run into each other, they touch. Now, two lines intersect at what? A point. Okay, two planes, what do they intersect at? Here's one plane. Here's two planes. They intersect at this guy right here. It looks like a line segment, but remember, planes keep going forever, even though we can't really picture that very well. So two planes intersect at a line, and a plane and a line intersect at what? Here's my plane. If I have a line that intersects it, typically you're going to see a little bit of a dotted area, and then it becomes solid again. That dotted area is like behind that plane, so it would intersect at a point. Now this is still naming, so let's do an example down here. So from this box, we're going to come up with a couple different answers. The first one is parallel to AB. I'll do that one in red. So here's AB. What lines are moving the exact same direction as AB? We have EF. We have DC. And we actually also have HG. Those are all moving the exact same direction. Okay, now perpendicular to CG. Let's do that one in purple. So CG is right here. Okay, so perpendicular. Which ones meet at a 90-degree angle with him? We have HG. We have FG. Okay, they also intersect with him. We have DC. And we have BC. Okay, skew to EH. So EH is right here. So skew means a different plane, and it also has to move in a different direction. So not BC. BC would move in the same direction. So we could do BF. We could do CG. We could do AB. We could do DC, because all of those are moving in different directions and are in different planes. All right, intersect with AE. So AE, I know this is getting to be a lot of lines here. AE is this guy right here. So who intersects with him? We have, so who intersects with A? AD, AB, now go down to the bottom, EH, and EF. So lots of naming and using the definitions.